3, hello.
Hi.
Hi, Nafetta.
Hi. No.
Hey.
Hi.
I don't think I can't zoom out. Oh my god, how do you see that? Mare! Hi, Mare. How are you? Are you hot? You're smoking. It's okay, I love you, Mare. I love you, Mare. Love you, Mare.
We love
Love you. Okay.
you.
Oh my god, Riska, don't make me sleep. Hi, Riska.
Hi.
Hi, Kanaya. Hi. Rose. Rose. No, Rose, get on the camera. Hey. Hi. Are you hot?
It is really hot out.
That's not what I asked.
My makeup smells.
Oh, your makeup's melting. I don't have. Oh, I
gotta fix mine.
Got the pretty.
I don't know how to do this. Can you like turn the screen?
Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Oh, okay, this works.
Hello. Is it working?
Yeah,
This is totally going on
great
YouTube.
video.
Just for the... Yeah. Hi, you want to fan me? Oh, you're actually doing it. Thank you. I don't feel anything. Feel nothing. Thank you for anything. We're trying. Porum! Porum! Hey! Hey, Porum! Hey! And there's Roxy.
I should have actually kissed your camera and see how mad you got. Kiss you.
Jade! No, Jade, you're behind the sign. Come closer! Jade!
How many people ran up to you going?
Jade! Hi, Jade.
Hi.
I'm recording this and putting it on YouTube.
That's cool.
Hey! Hi, Grandpa!
It's because like you look so much.
What's your YouTube channel?
I don't remember. Ow! Someone kicked me. Ah!
Oh wait, the horns are still showing.
Uh,
Are you supposed to be washing our bag?
yeah!
Suck my dick. Well.
Well, hey. Hi, Grandpa's boyfriend.
Yeah, careful. I love that you responded too.
I said hi, Grandpa's boyfriend. Wait, what happened?
I heard suck my dick, so.
Oh yeah, that also happened. That was Porum.
Hi, Sarah, children around.
Oh, I didn't.
Language like that.
Oh, I didn't say it.
Forum
Yell at Porum.
I ain't got time for you.
Jada has it.
Classy today.
Are you filming?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Hey.
Hi, Nana.
Hello.
Riska's in the background.
Nana, I get.
Hi, Roxy.
Who's she?
Are you guys okay with me putting this on YouTube, by the way?
Yeah. No, I'm good.
Alright.
No, you're not allowed.
Too late. What you gonna do, kitty cat? I'm being adorable.
There's some really bad camera shots of me.
It's okay, you're adorable. So is that Rosie. Rose, zoom in on your face. The adorable face.
Wow.
Playing the. Is it an ocarina? Hey. That's pretty. And Kanaya's just like, I'm melting. Are you melting in the sun, Kanaya? Kanaya, are you melting in the sun?
Yes.
And there's Dave. Dave, how does it feel to be a Titan Slayer? Train, get back. I'm pausing this.